Have you ever thought about how your walls and fences impact the look of your outdoor spaces? Hi, I'm Bonnie from Birds Renovations, and I'm going to show you how they're not just a backdrop. They can really set the tone for your property. We used ModularWalls trend wall at the front for that seamless look. It's like a little sneak peek of the exterior of the property. It's customizable, so you can mix and match cladding and paint to pair perfectly with your home's aesthetic.
So on the street side, we've clad this in veneer stone, but come inside, and on the inside, we've painted it.
For the carport, we've used the Slim Wall product. Not only does it create a clear boundary and give privacy, but it also helps cut down on noise. So here in the backyard and by the pool, we've used the trend wall again. It's perfect for taller heights and privacy. It even stands up to coastal elements as the posts are corrosion resistant, so no need to worry about salty air doing any damage. So if you're thinking about outdoor walls and fences, don't let them be an afterthought. Jump online at modularwalls.com.au and choose the perfect modular wall solution for your home.